Today, I'm doing a rapid verse-by-verse recap of 1 Samuel 30, aka David recovered all. David and his men come back to Ziklag, and it's a nightmare. Amalekites raided city, burned families taken. They cry until there are literally no tears left. The guys talk about stoning David pressures insane, but David strengthens himself in the Lord. That's the pivot. He asks for the ephod.
Should I chase them?
Pursue. You'll overtake and recover all.
Clear green light. They roll out. At the Besor Brook 200 are too exhausted and stay with the supplies. 400 keep going. They find a starving Egyptian slave. David feeds him first. He was with the raiders and points the way mercy becomes the map. They spot the Amalekites partying, scattered overconfident. David attacks from dusk to evening of the next day. It's decisive. Headline moment. David recovered all, no one missing, plus the goods, every promise kept. They also grab the Amalekites' herd's extra spoils, calling it David's plunder. They return to the 200 who stayed. Some hotheads want to gatekeep the loot.
David lays down a statue.
The ones guarding the gear share the reward with the ones on the front line. Team win. Team share. It becomes policy in Israel. David sends gifts to allies across Judah, relationship capital, gratitude strategy for what's next. Big takeaways. When everything burns, strengthen yourself in God, ask clearly, move decisively, show mercy, and share the win. Because when God says pursue, the outcome is baked in. Recover all.